Welcome guys to the 8th tutorial and where we are working on our app, and so far everything is going so well. And what we do here is that our deposit part is done, so we'll just maybe try to minimize it, and we will work on our withdrawal part. So for the withdrawal is that yeah, it's kind of same, but obviously we have to do some extra steps because this will handle the what do you call that, the subtraction and everything. So first off, let's set message withdrawing show int. How do we get the value? You already know. We want to get the value of integer, the added text that we have. So let's get that et withdraw get text to string. And now if amount, the withdrawal is less than the total amount of the goal, then it should give us an error. Withdrawal can't be less than the withdrawal can't be greater than the total goal amount. Okay, so now what we do is we do the same drill. We get the user ID, FirebaseAuth get current user, get UID, because we want to see what is the we want to see the current amount right now. So the same drill that we done on the above method. If task is successful, so okay, we will do this goal model task get result to object. Okay, and int current amount is goal model get current amount, and if current amount is equals to 0, can't, let's give it a message, can't, nothing to withdraw from. You can give it whatever message that you want. Else, if current amount is greater than 0, so then let's continue with our withdrawal. So the current amount is going to be amount to withdraw, like this is the reverse obviously, so it's like the minus, and to go here we just like update the to go message. Where is that? Let's open our deposit one, and Yeah. Oh shit. So we'll just close this again, and here in here we'll just set, yeah, so whatever the current amount remains after the minus, we updated that. Okay, out of that total amount, that is more to go. So here we, what we do is also dismiss our progress dialog. If I run the app and see what happens is, so then like we will move ahead. So okay, so we'll just withdraw maybe 500. So if I go here first of all, so it says that okay, 1000. Okay, so what is this? Current amount is 500. Okay, withdraw maybe. Okay, so maybe I have referenced the wrong ID maybe here. Well, let's see. Okay, something that is wrong here. Goal ID, goal plus user ID. I have made a mistake somewhere. That is why the process is not being. So here till here is correct. So what? I think this is not accessing this goal current amount. This is as 1000. Um, Positive. Where is the ET withdraw? And let's see if we get that. So the value is being detected correctly. Hmm. So this is adding in this, and oh, I think I'm not updating this value in the fire Firestore. This was the problem. Okay, so I have to update that too. Update. And let's bring it in here. If task is successful, let's just keep it outside. And I guess now it will be working. So let's try to withdraw maybe 400. And okay, still not updated. But should be 600 here. Oh yeah, it's working. So it's working. Maybe let's try one more time. Let's just try to withdraw 300. 700 more to go, but this value is kind of, oh yeah, it's okay. Let's maybe add a little bit more to that so we can, okay, 10,300. And now let's try to, so yeah, it shows that 1700 is to go. Let's try to subtract 300 from this, so it should show us that we have to 2000 to go. Okay, no, maybe let's add the 4000 if it's working or not. 700 more to go. Let's subtract 300 and it should show 11,000 to, no, it should show us 1000 to go maybe. Okay, yeah, it's working. Now let's subtract 5000, so it should show 6000 to go maybe. 6000 to go. Okay, now let's subtract 3000, so it should show 3000 to go. I mean 9000 to go, obviously, because yeah, it's correct. Okay, so the subtraction is working fine. And I think that's it for this tutorial. And our deposit and withdrawal is working fine. So next one we will take care of the transaction history, and in the next one we'll take care of the progress bar. So I'll see you in the next one.